Exercise 3.2. First problem. From the pair of linear equations in the following problem and find the solutions graphically. Okay. First problem. 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. So, what the information they have given in the question? In the question, they have given a statement, and based on this statement, we have to frame equations, and by further solving of equations, we have to plot the coordinates of points in order to see what is the graphical representation for the given statement, right? Okay. So, if you carefully see the question, so in the question itself, they have given 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. So that is the number of students who took part in mathematics quiz is 10. And if the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of girls and boys who took part in the quiz. Okay. So let us consider the number of girls who took part in the mathematics quiz be x and the number of boys be y. Now, we can clearly see that from the given question, the total number of students who took part in the mathematics quiz is 10. That is, I can frame first equation as total number of students, that is both girls and boys. So, x plus y, which is equal to 10. And the second statement, if number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, that is, the difference between the number of girls and the number of boys is 4. So these are the two equations which we can be framed by using the given statement. Okay. Now, in order to represent this line equation into a graphical representation, we want to make points. So point is nothing but, we all know that it is a combination of x coordinate and y coordinate. So I want to find a table for each expression individually so that I can easily plot these two equations into the graph, right? Okay. So, for first equation, that is x plus y is equal to 10. So, in that equation, we can write y as y is equal to 10 minus x. Now, I can frame a table by using some values, like if I take x is equal to 0, then I want to substitute the value of x in the expression y is equal to 10 minus x. Then the corresponding value of y becomes 10 minus 0, which is equal to 10. Similarly, when we take x value as 1, then the corresponding value of y is equal to 9. When we take x value as 2, then the corresponding value of y will be 8. If we take the x value as 10, then the corresponding value of y is equal to 0. Similarly, from the second equation, x minus y is equal to 4. Again, if you want to find table for that expression, we want to find what is the value of y. So, we can clearly see that x minus y is equal to 4. So, from that y is equal to x minus 4. So, if we take x value as 0 and we want to substitute the value of x equal to 0 in y is equal to x minus 4, then we are getting y value as y is equal to 0 minus 4, which is equal to minus 4. If x is equal to 1, similarly, then the corresponding value of y is equal to minus 3. If x is equal to 2, then the corresponding value of y is equal to minus 2. If x is equal to 4, then the corresponding value of y is equal to 0. If x is equal to 6, then the corresponding value of y is equal to 2. If x is equal to 8, then the corresponding value of y is equal to 4. So, up to now, what we have done? We have find the points for each expression or equation individually. Now, it's time to plot all the points in a single graph in order to show what is the relationship between the two line equations graphically, right? So, if I plot all the expressions, all the points in a single graph, then we can clearly see that here The blue line indicates the line expression x plus y is equal to 10, and the red line indicates x minus y is equal to 4 line equation. So after plotting these two line equations in a single graph, we can clearly see that these two line equations are intersecting at a common point. So this point is a required point to state or to find what is the number of girls and what is the number of boys. So here we can clearly see that this is the point of x-axis 7 and y-axis 3. So it is in between 2 and 4. So it is 3. So we can clearly see that this is the point which is representing 7, 3. So we can clearly say that 7, 3 is the intersecting point for both lines. Hence, number of girls which can be represented with x, that is x coordinate is 7, and number of boys which can be represented with y, that is equates to y coordinate, that is 3. Okay. So if you want to check whether the given boys and girls values are correct or not, we have to substitute these values in these two equations, and we want to see whether they are getting satisfied or not. So if I substitute x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 4 in the first equation, then I am getting 7 plus 3 which is equal to 10. Okay. If I substitute the value of x and y in second equation, then I am getting 7 minus 4, 7 minus 3 which is equal to 4. So hence the value which you are obtaining is correct, right?